Hi, I'm Rosalie, and in this short video I would like to show you how easily you can create a service for a one-on-one appointment in Booxi. However, Booxi also allows you to create services for group bookings such as workshops, classes, activities, and events, as well as rental services. Let's start with clicking on the service section, where you will find all the services you provide with Booxi. You can create categories to organize your services and make it easy for your customers to quickly find what they are looking for. To create a service, click on Add a new service and set the name of your service, for example, Meet an Expert, and select the right category. Now choose the booking type Appointment with one client, as we want to allow one client to book with one personnel at a time. Click on New. We recommend adding an image as it makes online booking more visually attractive for your customers, but this is optional. You can edit the service details to set up the essential information about the service you want to provide. You can edit the name and change the category at any time. The booking filter tags will allow you to show a specific service online, for example when using the Book Now button in a page for online booking of VIP services. Select where the appointment will take place. The duration can be selected here, and you can decide if you want it to be visible or not to the customer when they book online. You can also add a spacing after the service in order to schedule time in between appointments, for example a busy 5 minutes to prepare for the next customer, or an available 20 minutes for a treatment to be effective, but which leaves you available for another appointment. Here you have several price type options, and you can decide not to display the price online. Booxi also allows you to request an online payment at booking through our partners Stripe and Square. You can capture the full amount, a deposit, or only the card information, or send a payment email for the customer to pay at a later time. Underneath, you can set up a simple question or a small survey, which will be asked to the customer at online booking. The answers will be visible to you directly in the appointment from your calendar. The following text can be used to provide additional instructions to your customer, for example in preparation for their appointment. These instructions will be sent in the confirmation and in the reminder emails. Lastly, the description should be used to provide more information to your client when they book online. Don't forget to click on Save to keep your changes. Here you can assign which personnel will be providing this service, meaning that Booxi will only allow the client to book this service with the selected staff. You can associate resources with a service to ensure that it can only be booked when at least one of the associated resources, such as equipments or rooms, is available to provide this service. Each resource has its own availability calendar. The booking rules allow you to control how your clients will be able to book this service online. You can choose to enable or disable the online booking. Showing availability online will display or not the personnel's availability when the client books online. You can decide if a choice of personnel will be available at online booking, as well as how the time selection will be presented. Please view our time and personnel selection modes video to know more about these two options. The booking interval determines the time interval between available time slots displayed to the client when using the automatic dispatch mode. It is commonly set to the total of service duration plus the spacing. The rest of the rules can also be found in your business booking rules, which by default apply to all of your services. However, you can override these for specific services, for example in case some services have different cancellation and modification options, or different time limits for booking in advance or last minute. Click on Save, and now that you are done setting up your new service, you can turn it available online so it is visible and can be booked by your clients. Finally, you can easily reorder your services and categories, as well as duplicate or delete them. This concludes our video tutorial on how to create a one-on-one appointment service in Booxi. Check out more videos to get an in-depth look at specific features. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.